Work refusal process. Workers have the right to refuse dangerous work. To address a concern appropriately and efficiently, practice the following steps in the work refusal process. Step 1. Report the refusal to your supervisor. Workers must report the work refusal to their supervisor and explain why they believe the work is dangerous. The supervisor and worker must work together to assess the risk and resolve the concern. The worker is required to remain at the workplace during the work refusal process. Step 2. Report the refusal to the safety committee or a committee representative. If the supervisor and the worker are unable to agree on a solution, the worker must refer the matter to the Joint Occupational Health and Safety Committee or the safety representative to help assess the situation and attempt to resolve the issue. Step 3. Contact Occupational Health and Safety. If the situation cannot be resolved and the worker still feels the work is dangerous for them to perform, Occupational Health and Safety can be contacted to investigate the work refusal. OHS considers the worker's right to refuse dangerous work a high priority, and every attempt is made to respond quickly.